Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm gonna show you some things that you should avoid when it comes to satellite dish installation. Okay, so anytime that you want to install a satellite dish, just ask yourself, where am I going to get a satellite from? Okay, because every satellite have its own location or the position whereby you're gonna get those satellite signals. So get to know the location or the position of that satellite and where you are to turn the satellite dish or direct the dish towards to get your signal. So that should be the first thing that you should keep in mind. Get to know the satellite direction or the position of that satellite. In Africa, most of the satellite that you are to track, be it Dstv, MULTITV, Nicomsat, NBC, most of the satellites are on the east and specifically northeast. Okay, so get to know the northeast of your direction before fixing your satellite dish. So the first thing is to know the satellite that you are to track and then where you are to direct your satellite dish. If it happens to be that you are having a compass, the compass will actually enable you to get a signal very fast. You can buy an analog compass. If you don't have an analog compass, download any mobile app, compass mobile app, and then you can also use it to know your direction. Okay, so the next thing will be where to fix the satellite dish, the position to fix the satellite dish. There shouldn't be anything blocking the signal waves, because the signal microwaves have been thrown from the clouds coming down or the space coming down. So you're gonna use the reflector right here, the dish. You're gonna use the dish to collect it and then let it pass through the cable. LNB will pick it, pass through the cable to the receiver. So here, if you fix your satellite dish at a place whereby there is something blocking the signal waves from hitting on the reflector, meaning you won't get access to any signal at all. So have in mind, fix it in an open place whereby you will probably get a signal. Okay, if you do that, you're gonna get a signal very fast. So have in mind, whenever you are to fix any dish and there is a tree nearby which you may think it can cover the signal waves, just cut it or fix the satellite dish at a different position or direction whereby you're gonna get a signal. Okay, and the next thing will be the LNB position. Okay, when it comes to LNB positioning, the satellite that you are to track or the TP will determine where you should direct your LNB. Okay, I did a video earlier showing you how you can possibly direct or position your LNB to track any satellite at all. So I'll be placing that video link in the description so you can check it over there. Okay, so the LNB position have to be the next thing that you should look out to get your signal very fast. Okay, to install Dstv have to be at the 9 o'clock or the 3 o'clock, and then you adjust it a bit. Okay, and then the next thing will be the dish pole or the dish bar. Okay, the LNB, the dish pole have to be also strong and then straight enough. The dish pole or the dish bar right here have to be straight and strong enough. In most cases, there are some satellites, if you bend the pole around, you bend it, you're unable to straighten it, it will be hard to get a signal. So in most cases, people use level to know that their pole are straight enough. But in Africa, most of the satellites are easier to get. So even if the pole is not straight enough, you can try hard and then get a signal. But make sure that the pole is strong and straight enough, because the reflector will be hanging on the pole for a long period of time, maybe more than 2 years. So make sure that it's strong enough to hold it for a long period of time. And then the next thing will be scanning to get a signal or to get the channels. Okay, when it comes to scanning, every FTA channel that you are to get, you have to perform blind scan. With paid TVs such as Dstv, Canal, StarTime, performing manual scan and other things, you're gonna get all the channels. But when it comes to FTA channels, all the time you have to perform blind scan. Anytime that you are performing blind scan, you are just telling the decoder that you don't know what you are doing. So you should just search through the weather, any free to air channels that the signal is available or you are having a stable signal with the TP that you are using, you should just bring it over there. So whenever you perform manual scan, auto scan, or network scan, or default scan, meaning you are telling the decoder you want some particular group of channels, so it will just bring out those group of channels. So all the time, if you are looking for more channels, just perform blind scan option. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and today is your first time discovering this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share on all platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you will bless more content coming up. Okay, thanks for watching. Bless up.